Hi, my friends, it's Miss Alexander. Today we're working on Module 3, Lesson 20 and 21 of Engage New York. Our objective today is solve division problems with and without remainders using the area model. So let's go look at our vocabulary words, you guys. Here you go. The one I want to point out is area model, which is a rectangular diagram or model used for multiplication and division problems, in which the factors of the quotient and divisor define the length and width of the rectangle. So here we go. We're going to see what this is all about. So this is what our area model looks like, and we're going to do the best we can. So we're going to use expanded form. I know here's my divisor, and as usual, my divisor is on the outside of the problem. Now, when it comes to my dividend, do you see how it's 45? We're going to split that into expanded form. So we're going to go 40 plus 5. So right here, we're underneath tens. I'm going to write 4, 0 for 40. And then right here, write 5 under the ones. So I'm going to delete my tens. I'm going to right click. And I'm going to unmerge my cells. I kind of need two cells. And I'm just say the ones away there. Now I'm going to look at 3 times what number gives me 4. And the one thing I know is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So I'm going to put my 3 right here. 4 minus 3 is 1. And I'm going to bring down my 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? I know that 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm putting that 3 over the 0 from our dividend. 10 minus 9 is 1. We have 1 left over, so we're going to bring it to our ones and add it to our ones. So we'll go 5 plus 1 is 6. Now I've got to think of how many times does 3 go in 6? And I know that it's 2 times. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 minus 6 is 0. See this 13 plus 2? There's a couple ways you can do it. You can add it in your head, or if you feel like you have to write it down on a piece of paper or in the scribble, you can jump into the scribble and go 13 plus 2, you guys. I know you probably already figured out the answer as I'm sitting here doing my best to write fast. So 13 plus 2 is 15. Either way you want to do it, it's up to you. Then right up here, write 15. Once you do that, if you want to go check it and do 3 times 15, you can go back into our scribble pad and check your answer like this. It doesn't matter where you do it. Now I'm going to take my 15 and I'm going to multiply it by 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Now I'm going to look over, see the 45? 45, check. It matches up. So either way you want to do it, you can do it. So let's go look at one more problem. Again, our divisor's 2, so I'm going to go ahead and write my 2 out. And then my 37 is my dividend, and I'm going to split that up into expanded form. So I need to write 30, and then my ones is 7. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit unmerge and delete. Another thing to do is going to make sure I don't have it highlighted. And then I'm going to take off my ones. So here we go. 2 goes into 3 how many times? Right, 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then I bring down my 0, you guys. 2 into 10 is 5. So I'm going to put 5 there. 5 times 2 is 10. And right over here, because I forgot, we're going to put my minus sign. 10 minus 10 is 0. So right up here, I bring my 0. I do 7 plus 0 is 7. And two goes into 7 how many times, you guys? Yes, it goes in 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. This 1 comes up to our remainder. You see how that works? Now I had to add the 15 plus 3. So either way you decide to do it, I'm doing this so that everyone knows that you can do it right here on our scribble pad, because you guys are getting really good at using our scribble pad. So we'll do 15 plus 3, which is 18. And I believe we had a remainder 1. And that remainder 1 stays like that. So I'm going to hit save and close. And then right over here, go 18, remainder 1. Now, if I want to check it, this is what's fun about multiplication. I'm going to do 18. And I'm going to multiply that by 2 because that's what my divisor is. So I'll do 2 times 8, which is 16. Remember, I'm going to add my 1 after I multiply. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, because I have a remainder, I have to add my remainder to my product. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3 plus nothing is 3. And right here I have 37. 37, check. We did it right. So as you're working on this, take your time. It's a new way of doing division. Remember to breathe and also smile, giggle, and wiggle. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.